Good morning, sir. My name is Kyle Curato Maglipong.
And I am Rainiel Reyes.
This is our Building Personal Resilience video blog interview style. I have a question for you. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
One challenging experience I overcame this year was dealing with burnout at work. I was juggling multiple responsibilities, constantly on edge, and felt like I was losing my motivation and joy, what I've used to love doing.
What personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
What helped me get through it was finally acknowledging that I could do it all alone. I started setting clear boundaries at work and made time for rest, even if it felt uncomfortable at first. My determination to get better and the support of a close friend kept me grounded.
What did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned that I tend to ignore my own needs until it's too late. I realized I equated my worth with productivity, and that has to change if I want long-term balance.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Right now, I'm stressed about where my life is headed. I felt like I'm going through the motion without real purpose.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
I think I need to talk things through with someone who won't judge me. Maybe a counselor. Also, I want to carve out 15 minutes a day for something that brings me joy, like music, drawing, or just walking with no destination. Thank you. What is one challenging experience you have overcome in the past year?
The most significant challenging I faced this past year was involved not only mastering new skills and responsibilities in a high pressure environment, but also navigating the emotional terrain of ensuring my parents' comfort and well-being in an unfamiliar setting. Their healthcare needs and ensuring they felt socially connected made it an incredibly demanding period.
What personal qualities or strategy helped you get through it?
Resilience was undoubtedly my strongest ally during this time. I also rely heavily on my ability to compartmentalize, allowing to focus on a task at hand without overwhelmed by the enormity of situation. Furthermore, I learned on my communication skill to keep all parties informed and address concerns proactively. And finally, I made a conscious effort to incorporate mindfulness practices into my daily routine, which helped me stay grounded and manage stress levels.
And what did you learn about yourself during that time?
I learned myself during that time is experience taught me the depth of my capacity for empathy and compassion. I discovered a newfound ability to juggle multiple responsibilities without sacrificing the quality of my work or my commitment to my family. I also realized the importance of setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care to avoid burnout. Perhaps most significantly, I learned that I am more resilient and resourceful than I ever thought possible.
What are the current sources of stress in your life?
Currently, my primary source of stress stems from the ongoing demands of my being a chairman, particularly the pressure to meet tight deadlines and the constant need to adapt to evolving industry trends. Additionally, I am still adjusting to my life as their needs require a significant amount of my time and energy. Financially concerned relate to my healthcare and living my life to also contribute to my stress level. Finally, I sometimes struggle with feelings of guilt and inadequacy as I strive to balance my being chairman with my responsibilities of our barangay.
Now, what support or strategy might help you cope better?
Well, avenues. Firstly, I will go to pool and swim to go to
Ilang?
ay sige, wala
Walang
sa-
kay delete ay cut.
support or strategies might help me cope better is I will explore opportunities for despite care to elevate some of the burden of my care of my being a chairman, and I will go to my friends and drinking and jogging, playing basketball, and to balance the lifestyle that allows me to thrive both personally and professionally.
Okay.
That